Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisola. So today I'll be showing you how to make afang soup. If you're a first time viewer, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So let's get into today's video. So this is afang leaf called Okazi leaf. Sometimes people blend theirs from the market, but I prefer to blend my own at home because I don't want it to have stones in it. And I noticed that those people that blend it in the market don't wash it well. So I'm just going to go ahead to blend my Okazi leaf. So I've added a little bit of water to make it easy to blend. Make sure you don't add too much of water. So here is my blended afang leaf. Then this is goat meat. You can use any kind of meat for your afang. You can use normal beef or whatever, maybe chicken or so. So I'm adding meat stripe to the goat meat. I'm going to be boiling everything together. So here I have my stock fish. I've boiled it with hot water already. Seasoning, you can use any seasoning of your choice. Salt and water to boil the protein that I've put in my pot. So if you've watched this video to this point, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. So yeah, I'm just going to cook for 30 minutes. So yeah, my goat's meat and all the other protein that I've put into this pot are well cooked. So I'm going to add pompomo, which is cow skin. Before I add this pomo, I've made sure that I've washed it with hot water too. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook this again for some minutes. Not some minutes, for about 20 minutes thereabouts. So now I'm adding my smoked fish. Then pepper, yellow scotch bonnet. You can use the red one too if you see that one too, if you cannot get the yellow scotch bonnet. Then I'm going to add my blended afang leaves. Afang is very easy to cook, no stress. Then water leaves. This water leaf, I've cut it already in the market, so all I just did is come wash it at home. And our afang is coming together. Our food is almost ready. You can eat afang with fufu, eba, semo. So yeah, this is periwinkle. You can buy the one that they've not deshelled, but I prefer the one they've deshelled because it's stressful, deshelling periwinkles. So yeah, I'm adding palm oil. Then I'll let it cook again for about 15 to 10 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook your soup. I almost forgot crayfish, so I'm going to add crayfish to the soup now. It's not too late, and just let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then my afang is ready. And that will be all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch more recipes on my channel, and also tell me what you want me to do. Drop comments in the comment section on the kind of recipes you want me to drop next. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.